The key way I think that women change the world through journalism is by bearing witness. Bearing witness and bringing alive stories and the challenging conditions that so many people in our world are living under is the necessary precursor to change. Informing people is how you bring about change. Women have been doing this almost forever and have, I believe, a really special talent for it. The mid 20th century, you had incredible stars, brave women like Martha Gellhorn, who covered the Spanish Civil War, who was the first journalist to write about the liberation of the Dachau concentration camp. She too witnessed a lynching in Georgia and wrote about it. The guts of some of these women, just incredible to think about. Women make a huge difference in storytelling all across the globe.